today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily create a drop-down list calendar with Kutools for Excel. With the date picker utility of Kutools for Excel, you can easily pick up a date from a popping up drop-down calendar when clicking on a date cell. Please do as follows to get it done. Click the Kutools tab. In the Range and Cells group, click the Content drop-down list and select Enable Date Picker. In the popping out Kutools for Excel dialog, click the OK button. And after enabling this feature, click on a date cell. A calendar icon will pop out right to the cell. Click the calendar icon to open the date picker dialog box, and then click a new date to replace the existing date in selected cell. Click undo button to undo replacing date, and you can click the close button to close the date picker dialog box. And this feature can only apply to cells containing date. It escapes the blank cells and other value cells. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.